Bufo Rana. This is prepared from a poison of toad, a variety of a frog. Please remember Bufo Rana for central nervous system, skin, extremities. The special senses like eyes and ears are very sensitive in Bufo. Also, this is a characteristic drug for male and female complaints. Generalities: swelling of whole body which turns yellow, a jaundice is developed or icterus is developed. This is a great remedy for liver failure. Liver failure because of alcoholism. Uterine symptoms are marked and lymphadenitis. Symptoms of paralysis agitans, a stumbling gait, and striking rheumatic symptoms are characteristic of Bufo Rana. It causes desire for intoxicating things like liquor, alcohol, or more hard drinks like brandy or whiskey. But use of these intoxicating drinks produces impotency in Bufo. Feeble children who are prematurely senile, they look older than their age. Derangement at sexual sphere, and this is a great remedy for injuries of fingers. Mind anxious about health, sad and restless, propensity to bite, desire to bite someone is characteristic of Bufo. Howling, impatient, nervous and restless, desire for solitude and feeble-minded persons. Head, sensation of hot vapors on the top of head is characteristic of Bufo Rana. Numbness of brain and face is bathed with sweat. Epistaxis with flushed face and pain in the forehead, but headache is better by epistaxis. Eyes cannot bear sight of brilliant objects like tin or mirror. They have got severe photophobia from either from bright light or shining reflecting objects. Very little blisters forms on the eyes. Ears, music is unbearable for Bufo Rana. Music or any kind of sound, it distresses that person. Male genital organ, very important of Bufo. Involuntary emission and impotency is characteristic of Bufo Rana. Bufo personality, they cannot sustain the erection. That is why there is early ejaculation and spasm during intercourse. Buboes, they occur in groins. This is a sign of certain kind of infection in genital area or in extremities. In male, there is a peculiar disposition to handle sexual organs, like to handle scrotum or penis, like hyoscyamus and zincum mat. Effects of onanism. Female reproductive system. This is also important of Bufo Rana. Menses are too early and copious. Clots and bloody discharge. Metrorrhagia. Watery leukorrhea is characteristic of Bufo. Whenever she gets excited sexually, it precipitates into epileptic attack. Epilepsy convulsions, especially at the time of menses. Bufo Rana, please remember this. Bufo Rana is an important remedy for cancer of breast, induration of mammary glands. This is a great remedy to control or to palliate cancer pains of the breast. Dr. J.H. Clark, one of the legendary homeopath at the time of Hahnemann, he has written in his literature that he has cured many cases of breast cancer with Bufo Rana. Burning in ovaries and uterus, ulceration of cervix, cervicitis. This is a good remedy for PID, pelvic inflammatory diseases. Offensive bloody discharge from vagina. Pains they run up to the legs from womb. Bloody milk, blood secretion in milk. Pains of the breast, they are swollen and they are visible. This is also indicated for tumors, especially fibroids of uterus. Heart feels too large and palpitation. Constriction around the heart and person feels as if heart is swimming in the water. Extremities. Bufo Rana is a great remedy for sciatica. Pain in the lumbosacral region which extends towards legs. Cramps and staggering gait is characteristic of Bufo. Swelling of joints in lower extremities. This is a great remedy for rheumatism. Skin, panarchium, pains run through the arms. Patches of skin seems loose and numb. This is a characteristic symptom of leprosy. So Bufo is indicated in leprosy also. Pustules, they separate from slightest injury. Pemphigus and bullae, they open and secretes ischiorous discharge from this bullae. Bufo Rana is indicated for blisters on palms and soles. With itching and burning of palms and soles, also this is indicated for carbuncles. The central nervous system, please remember Bufo Rana is characteristic remedy for epilepsy, epileptic attacks which occur during menses, and especially epileptic attacks, they occur during sleep at night. Aggravation in warm room and on awakening in the morning. And better by bathing or cold air and by putting feet in hot or warm water. That's all about Bufo Rana. Please keep watching Homeopathy in 2 minutes for students. Thank you.